what's up, dog? Y'all know the fuck is it's most favorite nigga on the internet. And that's on what? Period. But anyways, we in Mexico.
Throw that ass, you know you a hoe. Up and down, that booty gon' go.
Anyways, but yeah, we're in Mexico. Look at that. I'm so excited to get off this shit. Because we've been on here for 2 days. And 2 days is enough. I'm dressed and I'm dressed. Where's my card? I'm gonna need that. I'm thinking about taking some photos and going swimming, especially for my thumbnail. I need to take some photos for my thumbnail. But yeah, this is so on our cruise with Royal Caribbean. We're going to 2 spots in Mexico, then we're heading home. But yeah. But anyways. But yeah. Anyways, that's really all that we're finna do. But yeah.
Oh yeah, hello, pow pow, throwing it back, bitch. Yeah, I'm thick. You throwing back, bitch. If she a Leo, she is a whack bitch. Real life, you ain't catfish. Like this, and I'm a bad bitch. And this is how I'm mad. I get money, shake my ass, then I eat my rice and cabbage. See, I'm a pop star, and that's pretty, and that's pretty. I never needed a girl to know that I am worth it. Cause bitch, I'm perfect, y'all niggas. Think I just my curve, bitch. All these bitches acting slimy, time to wipe out all these serpents. Yeah, throwing it back and I put it on camera. And I step in this bitch with no manners. He call me bro, we fucking Alabama. I'm the modern day Hannah Montana. Yeah, I'm the gold, they think I'm from Atlanta. And she watching me, she's a fan. I'm popping these bitches, they calling me Fanta. But I told them I'm minding my Montana. Oh yeah.
So, I'm on deck 6 eating because we just got back on the boat not that long ago. So, this cruise is good. It's alright. But I think Carnival is way better. The entertainment's not it. Because most of the time, the entertainment is just the freaking crew members singing. My stateroom is near the central, so I'm just hearing that like around like 11 o'clock at night. 11 o'clock at night. So that's real irritating. Getting back on the boat, like just people just try to people was trying to cut. Like you see everybody else in line, so I'm gonna need your ass to get in the back of the line because you're not gonna fucking cut.
quiet.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.